puzzle box. Through 9. So I've already started the level 1. Here we go. Open. Wide open. Both of them at the same time. Open. You just turn this. Dang it. I just pop up everywhere. You have to hold the lever down. You spin the wheel. Password is 14. Open. Now this one you just put it up. This middle one is a little hard because you have to pull up, middle, down, pull, and then it's open. And power is off, so you can just that. Three, 1, 0, 3. And you hit enter, and then you can open it. This one, so you gotta go 5, then 3, 7, 3. Then it'll open for you. Sorry about all these ads, guys. Here, I can go back. So the way to solve this one is right up here. And it'll open. So, on this one, you gotta count to 8 while holding the fingerprint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. Different sound. Okay, so gotta reset. So 3, 7, 4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This one's really hard. So 2, 2, 1, 2. So on this one, 2, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. This one's a little hard. You do that, and all the colors. there. So you do that. And this one, the hint is food chain. So there's mosquito, frog, bird, snake, and man. So the frog eats the mosquito, the snake eats the frog, the bird eats the snake, and the man eats the bird. This one, you have to connect all of them. So you do this, you go around, it'll pop up. This one is pretty easy. You got to just flip everything. I'm recording. This one you just have to make the shape of blocks. This one you just have to make these look like the ones up here on the top. These middle ones, these down here, look like those. So, and then, sorry about all the stuttering, guys. This is one of my first videos. So now when this light, you tap it, then it brings you to this one. And this one, you see how it goes up when I press 1? When I spam all of them, it goes up like crazy. So now when it's all the way up, it brings us to the next one. This one I found really hard. So we go over, over, over. Well, no, not that. Over, up, over, down, over, up, over, up, over, up, over, up, over, up, 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 over, 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 down, 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 sideways, up, up, sideways, sideways. It was really hard. I didn't know how you'd get it. So 4. So you gotta go from least to most. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. Then it should open. This one was the one I'm stuck on. So thanks guys for watching, and hope you have a